how to fix SOS Only on an iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an issue where your phone is showing SOS in the top right rather than your signal strength with your carrier. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So it's important to note that if you're seeing SOS, that means that your iPhone is not able to connect to your wireless carrier. So this can either be an issue with your SIM, your eSIM, or even the wireless carrier. And so the first thing I would do is make sure that if you have a SIM card in your iPhone, make sure that it's in there correctly and that it hasn't gotten wet. You can take it out, check that out. Or if you have an eSIM, that it's installed correctly. But probably the biggest culprit is going to be an issue with your wireless carrier. So a couple years ago, AT&T went down and millions of people had SOS on their iPhone. It had nothing to do with their phone. It was all because of an issue with their carrier. So check the description. I'll have several links to the big wireless carriers out there and their system status pages, so you could check that. Now, if everything's good with your wireless carrier and you have an eSIM or a SIM card that's working, we can do some things on our phone that'll hopefully fix this issue. So first, open up the settings. Once you get into the settings, scroll down and select General, and then in General, select About. Once you get into About, that triggers your iPhone to download the latest carrier settings update from your wireless carrier. So if you saw an update open up right there, when you opened up About, then it downloaded that update, and try restarting your iPhone after that, and that should fix the SOS issue. Now, if you're still getting the SOS issue after going into About, within the General setting here, scroll all the way down to the bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. In here, we can select Reset, and then what you want to select is Reset Network Settings. Now, before you do this, keep in mind, if you have Wi-Fi networks saved on your iPhone and they're not backed up to iCloud, it will delete those as well. But if you're having this issue and you want to try to fix it, go ahead and select Reset Network Settings, enter your passcode, and then confirm you do indeed want to reset your network settings. And it will reboot your iPhone and it'll reset those settings. And hopefully when it turns back on, the SOS Only issue on your iPhone has been fixed. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.